In this video, I'm going to show you how you can animate a 2D character in ToonSquid and export the animation with an alpha channel. For a client, I made an animation of a polar bear, and I designed this polar bear, and they also wanted animation, but they shot real life footage, and on top of that I needed to do the animation, but the budget was very small, so I needed to find a way to animate this little character, and it was used in a shot that could be used for the entire shot and also a vertical shot. So here I mapped out the vertical shot where all the action needs to take place. It's a company that does central heating. So I made this little character, and it doesn't have any sound, so they would add some scripts on top of the animation. First, I wanted to do it in Procreate Dreams, but you cannot really do limited animation with Procreate Dreams. You can do it, but this is much faster, and what I like about ToonSquid, because I'm now working in ToonSquid, is that you have different scenes to work with. So here's a scene where he is in a projector room and he just taps on the remote, and then the video starts to play in the background. So I did different kind of shots. So when you open up, so here you see the live footage they shot, and here's the animation. And when you zoom in, you can see that it's made up of different parts. So this is the character, and I used the transform hierarchy to make up this character. So I animated all of these parts, and I've made another video about how to use ToonSquid and using the keyframes to keyframe your animation. And great thing about this is that in the library you can make up different animations and save it as an animation clip. So because it was a limited budget, I reused some of, I'm just gonna select it and go to edit, and here you see the separate polar bear, and you can see that it's made up of different parts. So I animated this just with keyframes. There's one other scene I made with frame by frame animation. And I think that's this scene, because he comes running forward. Here he comes running in. And here you're in the animation frame or the animation clip. So when you tap on it, and this is the polar run. And it's just a loop. When you go back to the scene, you can see that the run starts here, and that's just an animation clip. And it stops here, and then I take it over with a different animation, and that's using the keyframes. And that's actually the same animation I'm using over and over again, because he is explaining some things about the product. The company also wanted to have all of the animation with an alpha channel, and first you can do that in ToonSquid, but now you can. So when you go to actions, and first you need to select if you want to do this animation, turn off the background, otherwise it will also render the background, and you just want your character or the animation with an alpha channel. So go to actions, export, and then select video, and I want this scene, so current clip, you can check it here, so it's this clip. It's on 25 frames per second, and it's in 4K, and the codec is very important, and you have to turn on include transparency so you can see the little blocks, and the codec is ProRes 4444, and then you can export it to your iPad, or you can export it to your Mac or your PC. So now I'm in Premiere Pro on my Mac, and now I have brought together the live action, the company shot, and also the animations. And these are all animations, they're MOV files, Quicktime files with an alpha channel. So when I turn off the background, you can see that, you know, it has an alpha channel. So these are all the shots, and this is the shot I just showed you, and then I brought them together. And here's the shot that the polar bear is running up to the camera and explains something. What I did is I turned off this background, and then I exported the entire movie. I sent them the whole video because that was already edited, so they only needed to import the animation file with the alpha channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you want me to do more videos like this, please let me know in the comments. Subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, because each time I upload a new video, you get a notification. Drawing is fun, and practice makes perfect. See you next time. Doodles!